Hey guys, for this video I have some amazing new Black Friday Home Depot tool deals to share with you. Some of these deals are only good for today, Black Friday. Other ones will be good for an extended period of time, so make sure you're paying attention. If you see a deal you end up missing out on it, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notified when new deals are available, because we all know that they can be killed at any time for any reason. So first up, what I want to show with you, by the way, we're going to use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see boxes popping up throughout the video as we hit the different deals. First one we have is the DeWALT 20-volt max cordless 4-tool combo kit and the brushless 6.5-inch circular saw with two 4-amp-hour batteries and charger. Now this is good for Black Friday only. Normally $728 down to $449, but look at all the value you're getting out of this. So these are both XR tools up here. You got the impact driver, you have the hammer drill over here, you're getting the XR oscillating tool, you're getting these two 4-amp-hour batteries. Those are newer DeWalt batteries, and that is one of the newer DeWalt 2-stage chargers. That's the DCB1104, has a 4-amp output. Then you're getting the reciprocating saw there. It's not the small single-handed one, but it's smaller than the OG one that's like 10 years old. And then you're also getting that 6.5-inch circular saw. So you're getting five total tools and two 4-amp-hour batteries for $449. That is a really good deal. Next up, we have the Husky 4-gallon, 3-horsepower wet-dry shop vac with locking hose, wands, filters, getting the whole shebang. Okay, so normally $50.75 down to just $29.97. How amazing is that? At $29.97, it's going to get shipped to you for free if you want. And we have a couple of shop vac deals. So over at Walmart, the Heart one is a little bit larger, a little bit more powerful. It's also metal body to it instead of this plastic. If you prefer that, I showed it in the Walmart video that I uploaded earlier this morning. So check out that latest Walmart video if you're interested in the Heart. Again, a little bigger, a little bit more power, but whichever brand you prefer, $29.97 either way. That's an amazing deal for a shop vac. Love this one here by Ryobi, the Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt 8-inch cordless oil-free pole saw. Normally $129 down to $99, so it's only $30 off, but I love that it comes with the extension rod. I have the DeWalt pole saw. It does not come with the additional extension rod. The Milwaukee does not come with an additional extension rod, so I like that it's paired with it here. You got the 8-incher, you throw your battery on bottom. You can reach out and touch. Not good just for things above your head, but also down low so you don't got to be crouching down, getting low and everything. Really love the pole saw. It's one of my favorites. Only $99. Now that is going to be a tool-only deal. Really like that price. Got some DeWalt tape measures for you. The 25-foot magnetic tape measure 2-pack, going to be $19.88, so about $10 a piece. So the magnetic, you got a little magnet on the end here, so you can slap it onto, well, anything metal, because it's magnetic, I guess, unless it's aluminum. It's got to be steel. It's got to be a ferrous metal. Is that correct? Is that right? Look, it's got to be regular metal. It can't be aluminum. Or what else is not magnetized? Gold. Gold is not magnetic. Don't put this on gold because it won't stick to that either. Anyways, $10 a piece on the DeWalt magnetic tape measures. Really like this combo kit. So it's older tools, but they're like loved tools. People have really enjoyed these tools for like a decade. The Milwaukee M12 cordless 3/8-inch ratchet and screwdriver combo kit with battery and bit set. Normally $219 down to $119. So this is the OG ratchet, 3/8 drive, I believe 35 foot-pounds of torque and 200 or possibly 250 RPM for the OG ratchet, and then the cordless screwdriver, which I don't have, but I probably should because people always tell me how much they love this cordless screwdriver. You're getting one battery. I'm going to guess it's a 1.5 just because this is a more economical kit. These are older tools, but they are time tested. They've been around for a while and people really like them. And then you're also getting this bit set here, so a nice little value at $119. Now we have the Milwaukee sister deal to the DeWALT that we just looked at. This is the 25-foot compact magnetic tape measures from Milwaukee. Basically the same price, $20, $10 a piece. You got your magnet on the end still. And same thing, won't stick to gold. Now, what makes this one a little bit better is it's part of the buy more, save more for Milwaukee stuff. So if you buy 3 items, you get $10 off. If you buy 5 items, you get $30 off. If we click this shop offer link, you can see all the different items where you can mix and match to get to your 3 or 5 items and get your buy more, save more discount. Next up, we have a Milwaukee socket set. It's the Shockwave 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric 6-point set. You're getting both the deep wells and the shallows. Normally $155, but it's about $56 off, making it $99. Comes with a handy dandy case. And if we take a look here, you're actually getting some pretty decent sizes. Goes all the way up to 19 millimeter or 3/4 inch for your socket. So it really covers a lot of what you could be doing. Have the little socket adapter, universal extensions, and I really like the nice large numbering on the Milwaukee stuff. Nice and easy to read. Sometimes when it's just engraved numbers on the side, my old eyes can't read it, but I can see that just fine. Plain as day. So $99 for your Milwaukee socket set. Here we have a Husky blower. No, it's not the Bear. 1/5 horsepower, 3-speed, 3-position, power fan, blower fan, air mover, ventilation, flood, carpet, job site, drying task. Normally $66 down to $29.97. So we're going to have a video coming up, or it might have already been posted on the second channel, of a DeWALT blower fan that's 3/4 horsepower. But that thing is on Amazon right now for like $250 for some context. This Husky one, only $29.97. Perfect for drying floors. Maybe you got a little water in the basement, got some wet carpet. Maybe just did some painting or did some mudding of the drywall. You can turn this fan on, start pumping out the air, and dry things up super quick. This one even comes with some outlets on the side, and this little nub hanging over is for your cord wrap. And of course, you can lay it like this, or you can lay it on its back and it can shoot straight up in the air. Another good use is on a hot summer day, if you're working on the car, you're laying on the concrete underneath the car, and you're just sweating your balls off. You put this thing under the car, let it blow, and it'll keep you nice and cool while you're cussing out whatever you're working on under the car. So $29.97 won't be such a hothead. Got the Ryobi Impact Rated Driving Set, 30-piece, normally $10 down to $5.97. Nice little stocking stuffer deal here. Got what looks like 2-inch bits, kind of hard to tell because we're obstructed by a sticker there. And a little bit holder. Then we have these smaller insert bits. But 30 pieces for $6. Really like this one here. You got the Milwaukee M12 cordless soldering iron with the 2 amp hour compact battery pack. Normally $179, special buy down to $119. So again, the 2 amp hour battery. Love this little soldering iron. You know what's kind of interesting is typically things that create heat really draw power from a battery very quickly. The heat guns, things like that, or if you have a big power station, a space heater would really suck down the battery. So a soldering iron does create heat, to melt the solder, but it's not so bad on the batteries. They actually last a pretty long time. And this one, you can even bend it here. It can release, and you can get it at an angle, or it can be this straight, like pen style. So really like it, works great, and $119. It's nice to get rid of the cord. You ever have a soldering iron with the cord and you can't get it to stay where you want because the rigidness of the cord keeps it from staying in where you... Nah, I like a cordless. Makes it nice and easy. Now here we have the Milwaukee 14-in-1 ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver and 8-in-1 compact multi-bit screwdriver. It's a 2-pack. Normally $36 down to $19.97. Love me the ratcheting screwdrivers, whether it's the stubby or the full length. But this one is also part of that same buy more, save more event. So if you want to get those tape measures and you want to get the screwdrivers or mix it with any of these other ones, pretty good deal for you. But I like these ratcheting guys at $20, $10 a piece. Here we have a spade bit set. It's the Milwaukee High Speed 13-piece, normally $70. Boy, that sounds like an inflated price right there. I don't know. Whoever paid $70 for these. Too bad for them. Down to $19.97, much better price there. Now you'll notice these are the pointy tips. If you get something like the Spiders or a couple of different brands, they have a threaded tip. So it's a little bit matter of preference, but either way, once you hit a nail, these things are shot. So avoid the nails. Goes up to 1 inch, starts out all the way down at 1/4 inch, and even got the hexes there in case you want to put it in your impact driver. 1997. Love these things. I love this little lineup. This is what Ryobi Tools is all about. Give me the goofy shit that other people don't make. That's why you exist, Ryobi. That's why I love you. Give me the goofy shit. USB lithium project kit with rotary tool, inspection light, screwdriver, glue pen, two 2 amp hour batteries, charging cable. So it says it's normally $256. That's another one where the price just seems a little insane, but I like it at $99 because you're getting 4 tools and 2 batteries. So that's like $25 a tool with the batteries and everything. So you'll notice these batteries have a USB-C port right in the side, so all you need is a USB-C charge cable. So probably the same cable that's charging your phone could also charge your batteries here. Nice little handy-dandy light, little screwdriver, little Dremel guy. You know what you're going to use that with? Grinding your dog's nails. Works perfectly. And then you also got the little glue gun with the holder. I love the holder actually, because glue guns have the same problem as soldering irons with the damn cord. So $99. Good value there. I like that little project kit. Got the DeWALT 15 amp corded 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw with 500-pound capacity compact miter saw stand. So this is the DWS 715 saw. It says normally $578. We got a daily deal for $349. So keep in mind these daily deals. There's 23 hours left on that. But if you click the link here, there was a full list of daily deals. You'll definitely want to check out all of them because there was a lot more than what could just be included in the video. Some really good, some meh, not worth your time, but at least take a scroll and see what you can find. But if you got a miter saw, you gotta have a stand. You gotta have the stand. Makes things so much easier. And $349, normally $578. Your DWS 715. Got the DeWalt Max Fit Ultra 1/4 inch hex steel screw driving bit set. It's a 30-piece set, normally $13, down to $9.97. Comes in the tough case. You got the clear top. They're stackable. They'll lock with other cases. These little rails can be pulled out and put in other cases or repositioned in this case. So fully customizable. You got your 2-inch bits, your insert bits, and then a couple of nut drivers and guys over there. So $9.97 for the 30-pack in your tough case. So there it is, guys, the specific Black Friday deal, some daily deals that just started 30 minutes ago, everything in stock in this video. If you didn't see it, make sure to check the full leaked Black Friday ad. I mean, now it's not leaked because it's available, but at the time it was. But anyways, we do a full breakdown of that ad. If you haven't already seen it, I'll leave a pinned comment so you can check that out for more Black Friday deals at Home Depot. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like. Subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.